Welcome to your Employee Benefits Overview video provided by 208 Benefits. The information provided in this video is to help you understand your benefit options, pricing, and how to complete your benefit elections prior to your benefit eligible date. First, we'll walk through this presentation deck and then switch over and walk you through the features of your benefit information website. The EnergySeal Employee Benefits Plan has a benefits plan year of March 1st through the end of February, each consecutive year. EnergySeal offers full-time employees the following benefits: medical insurance with virtual care, short-term disability, dental insurance, vision insurance, plus the following benefits: accident, critical illness, and life insurance. We'll first start with your medical insurance plan options through Regions Blue Shield of Idaho and help you walk through networks, plan types, and the options you can select. You have two network options that you can choose your plan type with. The first network option is the St. Luke's Health Partners. The second option is the Regions Preferred PPO. The St. Luke's Health Partners includes St. Luke's Facilities and Doctors, Adams County Health Clinic, Primary Health Medical Group, Cascade Medical Center, as well as Salzer Medical Group. The Region's Preferred PPO includes the St. Luke's Health Partners plus all the additional facilities you see here. You have two plan types. First plan type is a copay-based plan. The second plan type is an HSA eligible plan. So here's the insurance terms you should know to help you understand which plan type might be the best for you, but also to help navigate your medical care once your plan type is selected. A copay is a dollar amount that you pay for eligible medical services such as a doctor's visit or prescription. Copay plan types obviously have copays, and these copays are available before a member meets their elected plan deductible. For example, if you needed to visit a doctor for a minor illness, minor injury, you schedule that appointment, you will have as example, $40 copay for that office visit. You do not need to meet your deductible before that copay is available. In contrast, an HSA plan also offers a copay. However, the member pays 100% of their doctor's visits, their prescription drugs, etc., up to the point of their deductible. Then after the deductible is met, copays are available for doctor's visits and prescriptions. Your deductible is the amount that you pay for eligible medical services that are not covered by a copay. Again, for example, outpatient clinic surgeries, inpatient hospital, exams, etc. Coinsurance is the amount you pay for eligible medical services once you've met your plan deductible. This is a percentage shared between the member and the insurer. That percentage could be 50-50, 70-30, 80-20. The plan you choose will have a specific coinsurance. Out-of-pocket maximum. This is the total that you pay for eligible medical services in your calendar year, which includes your deductible, copays paid after the deductible, and coinsurance. Your out-of-pocket maximum is simply the cap that you would have to be responsible for financially in a calendar year for your medical expenses. Moving forward to the HSA medical insurance plans. The HSA actually stands for Health Savings Account. So when you enroll in or choose an HSA eligible medical insurance plan, you'll also want to set up your health savings account. The HSA is a specialized tax-free savings account designed to help employees save dollars on taxes for their eligible healthcare expenses, such as doctor's visits, prescriptions, lab and x-rays, diagnostic imaging, hospitalizations, surgeries, and other eligible healthcare services. By setting up your HSA, you will also select your annual tax-free contribution amount. In 2022, as an example, employees can fund up to $3,650 for the year if they're enrolled as an employee only on their medical plan. If an employee is enrolled with other dependents, such as spouse, kids, they can fund up to $7,300 in 2022. Employees enrolling either as employee only or with dependents on their plan can also contribute an extra $1,000 called a catch-up contribution. Each calendar year, the HSA funding eligibility increases slightly. The amount that you select for the total of the year will be divided by the number of paychecks you received that year and then deducted from your paycheck pre-tax. For example, if an employee is paid 24 times a year and elects a $2,400 annual contribution, $100 will be deducted from each paycheck and sent directly to their HSA. Additional benefits of the HSA is that whatever you contribute to your plan stays in your account unless used and rolls over year to year. Your account balance can earn interest. The interest is not taxable. Your account can also turn on investment options for the account balance, meaning that it can gain additional interest while your funds are sitting in there waiting to be used for eligible medical expenses. Funds can be used for retirement savings with no penalty of withdrawal when that member turns 65 and older. All plans include preventive examinations. HSA plans, copay plans, any plan that you choose. These options are no cost to you for specific preventive medical exams, otherwise known as wellness exams. This would include annual physicals, mammograms, pap smears, specific blood screenings, and immunizations. Please review your plan summary for further details on what preventive exams are available based off of male and female, and also based off of age. Your first medical plan option is a copay plan with the St. Luke's Health Partners Network. This copay plan has a $3,000 deductible, 30% coinsurance, $8,150 out-of-pocket maximum, and you'll see your copays listed here, $40 for a primary visit, as well as chiropractic therapy, mental health, etc. On below, you'll see your generic and brand prescription copays as well. Again, please see your full benefit summary for all benefit details while you're making your selection, but also after you've enrolled in your plan to help you understand how best to use your plan in the future. Option 1, cost for the employee is $0. EnergySeal pays 100% for the employee rate. If you're choosing to add spouse, children, or family to your plan, you'll see the elections here. These elections will also be shown on your benefit website. Option 2 is the sister HSA plan, also using the St. Luke's Health Partners Network. The HSA Option 2 plan has a $3,750 deductible with a 20% coinsurance after you've met your deductible and a $6,900 out-of-pocket maximum. Once you've met your deductible, you'll see that you have physician, chiropractic, mental health, therapy, copays available. Option 2 pricing, also no cost for the employee. EnergySeal pays 100% of the employee rate, and you'll see the cost to add spouse, children, or the entire family. Option 3 is also an HSA-based plan utilizing St. Luke's Health Partners. Your annual deductible is $1,500 on this option with a 20% coinsurance and a $4,400 out-of-pocket maximum, and again, copays after you've met your deductible. Pricing on this plan, as you'll see here, the employer still contributes to this plan, and you'll see your contributions available. Option 4 is a copay-based plan with a smaller deductible of $1,250, 25% coinsurance after deductible, and $8,150 annual out-of-pocket maximum. Your copays are listed there, such as $30 to see your primary visit, chiropractic therapy, and mental health. Option 4 pricing, as you see here. If you choose this option, you'll see what you contribute to that medical plan. The last option, option 5, is also an HSA-based plan using the preferred PPO network. $1,500 deductible, 20% coinsurance, $4,400 out-of-pocket maximum. Pricing for that plan is illustrated here. The next benefit within all the plans that you have available, options 1 through 5, will include telehealth or virtual doctor's care. Regence has partnered with MD Live to provide this service to you and your covered family members. MD Live, or virtual healthcare benefit, allows you to be able to talk to a board-certified licensed doctor via video call 24/7, 365. There are no limitations to the number of calls or doctor's visits you have using MD Live, and can be used for everybody covered on your medical insurance plan. These doctors can diagnose, treat, and prescribe medications for many common health conditions. Just like visiting a regular doctor, you can do this from the comfort of your home, from work, while traveling, on vacation, late at night, early in the morning, when it's convenient for you. The great news about MD Live is that you only pay a $10 copay per virtual doctor's visit. This is an example of a lot of the non-emergency health conditions that members often use MD Live for their virtual health care. So save yourself the time, the money, and utilize the virtual health care when appropriate to help you with your non-emergency health conditions. The next benefit included in your Regence medical plan is called Employee Assistance Program. Employee Assistance Program helps employees with life challenges. Confidential counseling, up to 4 counseling sessions, either face-to-face, on the phone, or video chat, for issues relating to relationships, anxiety, work stress, and other common challenges. You have 24-hour crisis help, online consultations, peer support groups, and additional services are included in the Employee Assistance Program. This is also available for all other covered family members on the plan as well. Next, we're going to switch a little bit of gears and go over the Prescription Savings app. This is separate from your medical insurance plan and can be used by any employee and their family members regardless of which medical insurance plan they choose. Our prescription partner, CleverRx, can help you save up to 80% off your prescription drugs. So this is incredibly valuable for those who are participating in the HSA-based plans where the plan does not cover any prescription until you've met your deductible. Download the mobile app to unlock the exclusive savings. You'll see the features and the instructions on your benefit website. As an example, 40% of generic prescriptions are less than $10 by using the app. Simply punch in the prescription name, make sure your zip code is available, and the app will search for the pharmacies nearest you and display the pricing. You simply click on the app voucher and provide that to the pharmacy clerk to take advantage of those savings. Now moving on to the additional benefit options. Short-term disability, accident insurance, life insurance, dental and vision. Short-term disability insurance. This is basically your paycheck protection. Protect your income if you're unable to work due to an off-the-job injury, illness, or even a maternity. The income benefit replaces 60% of your annual gross monthly earnings, and it pays to you in a weekly benefit. Benefits are payable after the 14 calendar day period has elapsed, and your benefit duration is 11 weeks per disability event. The exception to that is maternity claims. A maternity disability duration is 6 weeks for a normal delivery and 8 weeks for a C-section delivery, minus the 14 calendar day time-based deductible. Here's an example of how disability works. If you are ill and not able to come to work for a period of 5 weeks, based on the average for EnergySeal employees, the total benefit payable for the 3 weeks that the policy covers out of that 5 weeks would be just under $1,900. If you had a lower leg fracture, as an example, and your time out of work was 9 weeks, the total benefit payable, again based on the average weekly eligible benefit for EnergySeal employees, would be just under $6,000, paying 7 out of those 9 weeks of your benefit. Here's a coverage and pricing example. The average age of an EnergySeal employee at the time of this video was 38 years old. Their average weekly benefit would be $632, and the average rate to protect their income, the employee would pay $4 per paycheck. And a reminder, the employer is covering half of your cost when you select this benefit. Term life insurance, another important and valuable benefit. Employees have the option to purchase term life insurance through payroll deduction. Employees can elect anywhere from $10,000 to $150,000. Spouses can have from $5,000 to $20,000 in coverage, and you can protect $10,000 per each child. Here's another pricing example. So again, using the average age of an EnergySeal employee at 38, if you elected $100,000 in coverage and you were that age, you would pay $9 and change per paycheck. In this particular policy, the employee pays 100%. Accidental injury insurance. This is also a cash benefit plan. It's designed to pay you a specific amount for the diagnosis of specific injury events. Benefits are not impacted by your medical insurance or any other insurance covering the energy, meaning the dollars paid to you do not offset any other protection that you receive from your other insurance plans. Here's an example of benefit amounts payable. If you were to have a dislocated shoulder and it required surgical repair, there would be a $3,000 check sent to you for that surgical repair of that injury. If it did not require surgical repair, you would receive a $1,500 benefit. A second example is a lower leg fracture that required surgical repair. There would be a $5,000 benefit payable. And if no surgical repair required, $2,500 benefit. Very valuable policy to put large sums of money in your pocket if and when an injury occurs. Here's the rates per paycheck. Keep in mind the employer pays 50% of the employee rate, which makes it more affordable for the employee to not only enroll themselves, but also their family members. Critical illness insurance, also a cash benefit plan. What is critical illness insurance? Pays a fixed cash benefit amount for the diagnosis of a specific serious illness experienced by you or any other covered family member. Again, benefits are payable regardless of any other insurance coverage, including your medical. Here are the critical illness covered illnesses: heart attack, invasive cancer, stroke, and a whole list of other types of illnesses that qualify underneath this policy. Employees can choose the benefit amount that is right for them. You can start with a $5,000 lump sum benefit, increase that to a $10,000, or up to a $15,000 benefit. You choose the benefit amount that works for you. You can also add your spouse. Your spouse would receive 50% of the employee amount. You can also add your children, and the child, if they were diagnosed, would receive a 25% of the employee coverage amount. Please note, adding your children is of no cost on the policy. So we do recommend adding your children when they're eligible. And again, as an example, using the average age of an EnergySeal employee, choosing the highest coverage amount available, just over $2.50 a paycheck to have this coverage in place. And as a reminder, the employer contributes to 50% of the employee rate of that policy, making it more affordable for you. Next policy in place is dental insurance. First, we'll want to talk about your current in-network providers in the Adams Valley County area. You have 4 in-network providers throughout the greater Adams and Valley County area that you can use with your plan and get the best coverage for the rates and reimbursements. If you choose an alternate provider, such as the ones shown here, just note that your plan, these are out-of-network providers, but your plan will pay up to the 99th percentile of the usual and customary charges for the procedures you receive, which basically means your plan will pay the most eligible for out-of-network providers, limiting your out-of-pocket costs. Your dental benefit summary has an annual benefit of $1,000 per member per enrolled per calendar year. With preventive services, routine exams, cleanings, basic x-rays, you pay 0% when you're using in-network providers. Your plan has an annual deductible, $50 per member with a maximum of $150 per family. The annual deductible only applies to basic services and major services. With basic services, including fillings and sealants, root canals, extractions, you pay 20% using in-network providers, and the insurance covers 80%. Major services are split equally, 50% member, 50% insurer, and that would include crowns, bridges, and dentures. Please see the full benefit summary for all benefit details and out-of-network coverage information. Our advice is to always get a pre-estimate of charges for the services that your dentist will be providing you prior to having service, so that you can make sure that you have a good understanding of what you may owe, whether you're using an in-network or out-of-network provider before services. Dental insurance plan rates are here. And a reminder, the employer does contribute 50% for the employee rate. Vision insurance, also with Principal, utilizing the VSP plan network, which provides you many independent eye doctors, top optical retailers, and online services. This illustrates different types of local and retail vision providers you can access. Iconic is the online retailer within the VSP network, great for using their online services to buy frames and lenses that you might not find at your local eye care center, and saving you from driving into the Boise area to do the same thing. Your benefit summary is as follows. Your exams is a $10 copay. Your lenses, you pay a $25 copay, and they provide you a $150 frame allowance, plus a discount off the balance over $150. Your lens options include discounts for UV treatment, tinting, scratch coating, etc. Contacts are included at the same allowance as a frame allowance. Just note that contacts are not covered in the same benefit period as your regular lenses for your eyeglasses. You can access these benefits every 12 months. It is a 12-month anniversary date of your first benefit. Here are your vision premiums per paycheck. And again, the employer pays 50% of the employee rate, making it more affordable for all levels of coverage. Your next steps. Review your new benefit information. Contact 2A Benefits with any questions. Complete your online benefit elections. Your enrollment deadline will be the 15th of the month prior to your benefit eligibility date. So as an example, if your benefit eligibility date is May 1st, you'll want to complete your benefit eligible elections by the 15th of the month prior. So thank you for watching the benefit information slide deck. We're now going to pull over your benefit information website and give you a quick walkthrough of the website so you know how to use it effectively for you as you manage your benefits throughout the year. This is the EnergySeal Employee Benefits website. This website houses all the information about your specific benefits so that you can access them 24/7 from your mobile device, from your home computer. Spouses and adult-age children that are covered on your plan should be able to access this as well so they can get the information about benefits they need when they need it. First, you'll see that there are benefit tiles showing you what type of benefit is in each tile so that you can access that particular benefit to learn more and gather the information you need. So as an example, your health insurance tile is here. As soon as you click on that tile, you'll see that you'll get your member group number, phone numbers to contact the insured directly, as well as log into your medical insurance account, which we do recommend so that you can track all your explanation of benefits and bills, etc. This video here shows you how to access the insurer's online tools, including mobile app. Your benefit summaries for each plan option that you can choose from are listed here. So help you to elect your plan, but also once you've elected your plan, you can come back here and review the information about each benefit. So you simply just click the PDF, open that document. Now you can save this document to your own files, you can screenshot it, or you can just pull it up as you see fit when you need to, but this will show you exactly what your benefits are based on the plan that you've elected. A provider search is here that helps you make sure that you're visiting an in-network doctor or hospital clinic. Prescription coverage search is here, as well as a prescription drug list, all directly from your benefit website tile. As you see here, there's the prescription drug plan. This is the group ID and member ID number you need to input when you download the app to either your Apple or Android device. Your accident, your disability, your critical illness insurance, your dental and vision plans are also listed here. Your dental plan shows you a video about dental insurance, your dental benefit summary, and your provider search for in-network providers. Phone number for claims, email address, as well as the group number, just in case you forget your member ID card while going and seeing your dentist. Short-term disability, as an example, there's a video here explaining it. Again, your benefit summary, but also even a link to start your disability claim. Your benefit pricing is also here on your website. So again, as we illustrated in the slide deck presentation, you don't have to remember that information. It is all right here for you. So you can easily look at the pricing on the plans that you have options for, and help you make your decisions. Enroll Benefits tab. This tab is very important as this is where you'll access information on how to complete your benefit elections, which is done online. Information here with some instructions. There's a video here that you can watch as well that walks you through how to actually complete your enrollment. So please watch this video before you start. And then once you've watched the video and you understand how to enroll and you understand what plans you're going to enroll in, click the Go to Benefits Enrollment Center button right here. That will take you to the EnergySeal Benefits Enrollment website. Now this website is login and password enabled, so you do need to use your email address as your username. Click Forgot to set up your first password. So click there, just simply punch in your email address and click Submit, and that will send you a reset link to create your first or reset your password. Once inside that platform, you will follow the same prompts as you're seeing in the video here to make sure your profile information is correct, add all your dependents, even if they are not enrolling in any one or more plans, as well as complete that. If in the future you need to change a benefit based off of you having a qualified life event or open enrollment, this information here explains that and how that is completed, video as well. There's additional information on the definitions of your insurance terms like co-pays, deductibles, health savings accounts, etc. All that information is here. Your employer contact is right here in the upper right hand corner, and our information is also down below for you to contact us as well. Thank you again for previewing this video.